Howdy guys, in today's video of VinylCut, we'll be looking at how to warp an object onto a path. Let's have a quick intro here. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. You guys will notice we've got a variety of different softwares we do cover, and we do upload videos daily, so keep an eye there for any new content. Otherwise, we're back in the program here. Now, yeah, let's quickly just add a path. This can be any path. I'm just going to use a little tool here, and then let's say we want to add a circle to it. So from our library, we'll add a arrow here. Sorry, we'll add an arrow to the path. Then we go to the fill. I just want to set a quick color here so we can see it more clearly. Okay, now what you want to do is quite important. Make sure your arrow is a layer higher than the path you want to add it on, which in our case it is. Then what you want to do is select both of them by dragging a box over all of them. Or what you can do is keep shifting to drag a box, just touching both. Then you'll select both as well. Then to locate the tool, we'll go to Effects. And then we'll be going down to Object on Path. And then from its options, we want to make sure that the repeat is set to 0. Let me zoom in here for you guys. And then we want follow path orientation enabled. Then we want to put warp to path. You zoom out here, and then the last one is stretch to path. And then make sure your auto preview is on, otherwise you will not see any changes like this. So let's put that on, and now we can see there. If we had to take warp to path off, you'll see it does not do what you want it to, and stretch to path. But you can, for instance, take stretch to path off, and then you increase your repeat count. Then you can have multiple arrows going on the path, warp towards it. Yeah, that's the basic feature and how it works. It's quite convenient. And then if you guys go to vinylcut.co.za, the program is freely available here. You can just navigate to the download page. And then otherwise, if you guys go to softwaretraining.co.za, you can find this video and more like it. And as I mentioned before, you can see we've got a variety of different softwares we do cover. You can also isolate your search here. And then if you don't find what you're looking for, just go to your request a training video. Then we'll make that for you. Otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.